Ciao ragazzi, ci siamo accorti che sul web non si trova la performance di Magic Ranch di Tommy Wonder, quindi abbiamo pensato di farvi un regalo e di caricarla noi. Quindi buona visione e lasciateci i vostri commenti al riguardo. Ciao!
It's nice if you could do that in real life. Something gets stolen, boom.
Show us.
I did. Please. When I lift my thumb along the deck, you just say stop somewhere.
Stop.
Okay, here. Now remember the card.
Okay.
Don't forget.
All right.
Yes? Okay, you can all see the card. Now, did you lay the egg? You know what? I see. It's yours then, isn't it? Okay. You know what? I'll use it for the trick. Why not? I gotta do something.
Sorry.
Yeah. And that can happen to the best of them, you know. I'll just place it here, and I hope you still remember your card after all this. How you do good? Okay. Well. We'll make the card appear in the egg. Why not? Huh? Here we go. Okay. Now, what was the card?
Wait.
What was the card?
3 of spades.
3 of spades. Okay. Hold out your hand. It's just egg content. It's nothing. Here we go. The 3 of spades. Are you sure you have the 3 of spades?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How could you have seen it in this deck?
Oh my God.